Hello, brothers and sisters of light and dark. Welcome to my page. My page is about common sense. I try to keep it down under the nitty-gritty, under 10 minutes. If it goes over 10 minutes, it's something very, very, very important. It's not important to liberals, libertards, people who believe in God, people like to smoke, people like to drink, people like ayahuasca, people like DMT. Listeners' discretion is advised. Listeners' discretion is advised. So, I told you before, if you have any comments, questions, insults, or roast fest, you put it down below. I just made a video about dog people versus cat people, or vice versa. I don't remember how I titled it, but this is a great example, okay, of what I was saying in the video. This is a response video, okay? This, as everyone else does response videos, I do not make any money off these videos or anything, okay? But let's begin with the video. I will post down the link in below. I think these guys are awesome for creating this video. But of course, let's begin.
What's up, man? It's so good to see you, buddy. I know I saw you this morning, but it seems like it's been forever. We gotta celebrate. What do you want to do?
That's the dog.
Hey, let's go throw this puppy around, huh? Go outside, get some fresh air?
Yeah, sure, right? I'll put my stuff down.
All right.
What's up, Jimmy?
That's the cat. There you go, see? That's the cat. Dog.
Hey, man. What are you doing? Are you cooking? Do you need any help? I can help.
I'm good. Actually, where's the basil?
Bottom drawer.
What is this?
I'm so sorry. I don't even deserve to be here. I'll just go get paper towels and clean it up and leave.
We're out of cereal.
Holy shit.
Your friend's weird.
Yeah, I don't think he likes you. He doesn't really like anyone. What's up with you? Jimmy, no. No.
Hey, don't worry. I got this.
That's a good boy.